Hi there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post up videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I've loved seeing all your comments down below, especially during Vlogmas. I've had some great comments, so I really appreciate all of you sharing your time with me. Tonight, I already posted my Vlogmas video this morning, but tonight I'm just making a quick video about the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Frozen Memories quilt kit. I did pick a winner, and it's been well more than 24 hours. That was the cutoff. I gave them extra time, and I haven't heard from the winner, and I need to give this away because I've got to get it shipped so it can get out to you all or whoever wins, so you can be ready for the sew along beginning December 19th. So unfortunately, I'm sorry to that person if you see this later, but I had to move on, so I'm going to pick a new winner. I'm waiting till the last minute till this video is, I've taped it, and then I'm going to use my random comment picker and pick a random comment from my YouTube video, and I will pop your name up here. But congratulations, I want to say that ahead of time, and please email me your name and your address. I'll put my email on the screen here below, and I will also put it down in the description box. So thank you all for coming by. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Keep the comments coming. I wanted you guys to know also that this is all done randomly because somebody asked that question, which is a very good question actually. I use a random comment picker to keep it fair. And just as an example, I had 4 names that I picked today for Vlogmas, the first 4 days. And one of the ladies just started watching me during Vlogmas. So I don't pick based on who I know, names I've known. It's all random. So keep commenting, and hopefully eventually your name will get picked. So thank you guys for coming. Like I said, I've loved seeing you here, and I'm really having a great time making these Vlogmas videos, and I can't wait to give this kit to somebody. Hopefully somebody wants to sew with me. Okay guys, have a great night, and I'll see you really soon. Bye!